What is going on under here? Major oil leak, sir, and these wires look fried. It's worse than I thought. Looks like the whole system's gonna need an overhaul. I think we've got a leaky gasket. Yeah, looks like it. Pass me the 21. All right, grab the torque wrench. Got it. This is a tight fit. Yeah, just a few more turns. All right, time for the finishing touches. Looking good, almost done. Just need to smooth this out now. All right, all tightened and closed. Yeah. Perfect. Ready for the road.